Now here if you look at another example of diffusion, here we have a glass tube. Now this glass tube has two ends. One end has a cotton wool soaked in concentrated hydrochloric acid, and on the other hand there's a cotton wool soaked in ammonia solution. Here we have ammonia solution, here we have hydrochloric acid. Now both of them will give fumes of, here we will have fumes of ammonia gas, and here we will have fumes of HCl. Now if you look at the relative molecular mass of these two, the MR, relative molecular mass of ammonia NH3 is 17 and the relative molecular mass of HCl is 36.5. So as the MR of ammonia is far less than the MR of HCl, the fumes of this side would travel at a much higher rate than the fumes from HCl. Right? So a typical question which comes in your examination is that where does these two react and form ammonium chloride? So since the MR of this is less than MR of HCl, and as this would travel diffuse at a much higher rate than fumes of HCl, ammonium chloride, if this is the center of the test tube, then ammonium chloride would be formed slightly on the right side, closer to the side of HCl, because these fumes would travel at a much higher rate. So let's just say that ammonium chloride will form here. Let's look at it again. This has an MR of 17 and this has an MR of 36.5. So the rate of diffusion of NH3 would be far greater than the rate of diffusion of HCl. So the fumes would travel the center part of the test tube far more quickly than the fumes of HCl. So here the reaction would take place at slightly towards the right side of the test tube. Okay, as I told you earlier that particles with a higher mass would move more slowly than particles with lower mass, as given in this example.